This is a demonstration of how to reverse a hinge pin, the shower door hinge. If you notice that maybe your tile is off and it's pointing the door a little bit too far in or out, these hinges have a 5-degree offset built into the hinge itself. You can open up the hinge using the number 3 Phillips head screws to open the clamping plate, then remove the plastic bushing from the steel pins so you don't lose them. This is just showing you that the hinge is indeed set at 90 degrees unless you specified otherwise. Now we're going to fold over the hinge to reveal the set screws on the bottom, which clamp the plates to the 5-degree offset pins. Loosen those two with an Allen wrench. Once they are loosened, the hinge body will drop off the pin. Slide it out. Be careful to make sure that the plastic gaskets stay on the pin. There's a couple different ways to do this, but the best is to rotate it counterclockwise once, half turn, and then flip it over horizontally and place it back onto the pins. You may have to try a couple different variations of that if it doesn't turn 5 degrees right off the bat, or it may turn it 5 degrees the wrong direction. Tighten the set screws, set it back into the closed position, and this shows that you have a 5-degree offset, which can adjust up to an inch across the span of a standard shower door.